Action.
Sisters have this incredible power of loving you and also making you feel like the dumbest person on the planet. And I'd be lifting an apple box, but all you'll hear is Gianna, Gianna. I was having a big attitude problem on set, and it definitely affected other people. It affected my relationship with my sister, and it affected my relationship with my boyfriend. The first half of the production, I would go home and sew, and I'd bring him with me, and while I'm sewing, he'd be behind me and he's painting and he's scrubbing something, and I'm a control freak. If it's not my way, I'll be like, hey, why don't you do that instead? And he's like, you gotta relax. Like, you're asking me for help. You can't control everything I do. And he really called me out on that one.
Oh, that does look so cool.
Action.
I was sick last week, very unfortunate, and every day I wanted to come to film, but I just couldn't. Crew has been running low this week because people have been on vacation. I've been able to take on some different jobs besides makeup artist this week. I've been able to clap, which is really fun. I got to be sound mixer, and I also learned how to boom. So it's been a really fun week after being sick.
There's nothing new to tell.
Nothing at all.
Nothing worth recounting.
We're gonna film Steven crossing the pool on the big flotation device thingamajigs. We're gonna throw in dry ice so that it looks like it's erupting and boiling. The cool thing is dry ice actually boils at like a normal temperature. So while it looks really hot and dangerous and Steven can like react like, I'm being burned, it's totally fine. The trick will be to be doing a lot of rehearsals. So we're gonna set up the cameras. We're gonna pretend we're going for a take, roll sound, roll camera, and actually have him do it, but with no armor and no dry ice, just so we can test and make sure everything looks good. And then once we've done enough rehearsals, we feel confident, we will drop in the dry ice, we'll put on the armor and actually go for a take.
Nice throw, Kavanaugh.